Welcome to the 2020 Becker College IT Office Orientation video. IT Department, who we are. My name is Stephen Bigda, and I manage the Becker College Helpdesk. We provide on-site IT support at both campus locations, at the Leicester campus in the Borger Academic Building Room 221 and the Worcester campus at 60 William Street, first floor. Our typical hours for on-site support are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We have a 24/7, 365 call-in helpline for technical issues. You can also submit a helpdesk ticket via email at helpdesk@becker.edu. Becker College Quick Links. You will complete most of your work and access your school-required software through the student portal. On a laptop or mobile device, please navigate to the college's website, www.becker.edu. Once on the website's homepage, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will find the Quick Links section. Click on the student portal link to proceed. Office 365 login. When you have found the Quick Links section, we are going to click on the student portal link. Once clicked on, you will need to enter in your full username and student password. The email format for students is your first initial, middle initial, and last name .2020@mymail.becker.edu. Example, if my full name was John Alex Smith, my email address would be jasmith.2020@mymail.becker.edu. Please log in with your full email address and your Becker College password and hit sign in. Student portal. When you are in the student portal, you will be presented with some college news and current events on the main screen. Off to the right-hand side, you will find the Ask Hank chat feature, the Daily Tools section, where you will access your required student software like MyBecker, Canvas, TutorTrack, and Starfish. Also on the right-hand side is the Helpful Links section, where you can click on the appropriate link for assistance. The IT Helpdesk link will prove useful, as will the LinkedIn Learning link. MyBecker. MyBecker is your student portal for accessing all your college information. You can access your billing and financial aid information, access student planning, and your grades. You will also need to enter in your emergency contact information through this portal. Microsoft Office 365. Features of Microsoft Office 365 are up to 5 installations of Office 365 on a Mac or a PC, cloud-based email and online collaboration tools, 25 gigabyte mailbox size, the ability to forward email to another account, and a 1 terabyte OneDrive account for file syncing and storage. LinkedIn Learning. Becker College is now partnered with LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn provides online education for faculty, staff, and students. Thank you for watching this short video. If you have any questions or concerns at all, please do not hesitate to reach out for assistance. Kindly use the provided links and resources to get your questions answered. We will be happy to assist you with whatever information you need to be successful. Have a great summer, and we hope to see you soon. Welcome to Becker College.